Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a post office vlog 3.0. So over here, as you can see, we have some flats and some DPS, and these are spurs, and then we got the big boxes in the back. So we're gonna be, going back and forth. In the post office, apparently, we are not allowed to back up. We can only do like maybe 3 U-turns, and then we have to always have our seat belt on. And what can I say? This car is actually pretty good because it has some AC. I have some Bluetooth. I can play my music, and yeah. Stay tuned for more details while we deliver. Oh yeah, for anybody that is interested in joining the post office, I work at the St. Cloud Post Office, and right now we are actively hiring RCS, PSEs, clerks, and the starting rate for post office is $20.38 for the most part, most of the positions that are open. And yeah, so if you're interested, you can inbox me, or you can go check it out yourself. 4701 Old Canoe Creek Road in St. Cloud, Florida. Bye, signing out.